Welcome back mga Lord sa ating channel, Cubero TV. Ang vlog natin ngayon ay mag-interview ako ng applicant ng boiler operator kasi kailangan ko ng dalawa. So actually Pilipino sana kukunin ko, kaso itong HR namin dito, mahirap daw kumuha ng Pilipino ngayon sa dami daw ng mga kailangan mga requirements na hinihingi ng Philippine government. So sa madaling sabi, ang kukunin nila ngayon ay India kasi nga hindi daw mahirap kumuha ng India. So ang ating interview ngayon ay mga Indiano. Tatlo to sila ngayon ang ating isasalang, nakasalang pala sa interview. So mag-start kami ng 11 o'clock in the morning. So may 3 minuto pa bago mag-11. So mag-prepare tayo sa ating interview sa kanila mga loads. So ito na, nag-email na. So okay, invitation. Five minutes more. Happen. Okay, during the meeting. Sayang, actually gusto ko talaga ng Pilipino sana kasi nga ang dami ko ng itik dito na operator, kulang naman Pilipino, kaso sa Pilipinas ngayon ang hirap kumuha ng tao. Ang dami-daming hinihingi. Itong isa namin dito medyo may katamaran. Actually kaya naman lang kumuha. Ang problema lang dito sa isa namin, medyo gusto na yung easy lang. Madali kasi kumuha ng ibang lahi kaysa Pilipino. Kaya yun ang nangyayari. So it's okay, wala tayong magawa. Ganun yung kuha nila eh. So kaya tayo, yun na, papasok na tayo sa Zoom interview. Ganito itong mga itik. Tingnan natin yung galing ng mga itik ng mga Indiano. Matindi yung CV nila eh. Kaya kung magbabasa naman ako magbabasa lang, ulit mo na ako. Wala pa eh. We have 5 minutes more. Tingnan natin na ito. Sino tumauna? Si Raban. Anong nito? To utilize knowledge and skill to achieve. Okay. Order na. Okay. Actually, hindi ko ito trabaho mga lods eh. Ewan ko ba itong HR namin? Kung matrabaho mga interview, hindi mo ako taga-HR. Iba naman yung trabaho ko. Hindi ko to linya. Kaso, kaya binigay nila sa akin. Gawa ng sa akin din pupunta yung tao. Kaya sa akin din pinapa-interview para daw makapamilya ako kung sino yung i-hard ko. Kasi kung sila hindi nila alam, gawa nga ng hindi man nila linya itong nasa hinahawakan ko dito department. So okay lang, hindi naman mahirap. Laro-laruin na lang natin mga kaibigan. Tindi ng CV nito. Oh. Engineer daw siya. Oh. Puro engineer. Sige, tingnan natin mamaya. If you take me wherever you go. Bakit dismiss? Start. 3 minutes. Start. Okay. Ngayon natin kung marunong ba itong mga ito ngayon. Dali lang, tatlo to sila eh. Ulang ko. Okay. Join now.
Hello?
Oh.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Ronald. Good morning.
Yes, good morning, madam. Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Muhammad. Mr. Muhammad, my name is
Now we'll
Ronald
start
from the
our
government
interview.
team. My colleague here, Mr. Ronald. Mr. Ronald is a utility supervisor.
Yeah.
So,
Ito yung taga-HR kasama sa
this
interview.
I will start this interview by asking you, tell us about yourself, please. Introduce yourself, your education, your work experience, please. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, sir.
Yes, good
My
morning.
name is Muhammad Taslim. I have done Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, and I have done 9 years. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Ronald, for technical question, please go ahead.
Now I am working high pressure boiler, sir.
Okay. Okay. How are you, Mr. Muhammad Taslim? Where are you now?
I am sir, Indian UP, sir.
Africa? You are in Africa now?
Yes, sir. Africa, Nigeria, sir. Nigeria, West Africa, sir. And
Yes.
quantum paper way. I am working, sir, boiler operation.
Okay. Which boiler that you are operate there? What type of boiler?
Sir, high pressure boiler and force draft boiler, sir.
Force draft.
And fuel used, oil and gas fuel used, sir.
Okay. So actually, Mr. Muhammad, I have a question from you. It is about boiler that you are applying for. So what is the role of boiler?
Sir, boiler is a steam generator, sir. So, sir, boiler is a steam generator, and boiler is a closed vessel. Put in the water, convert to the steam by put in the water in boiler, convert to the steam by fuel, sir, by heat, and steam moving to the process plant like some paper industry, sir, according to requirement pressure, sir.
Okay.
So steam temperature, sir, 160 to 170 degrees centigrade, and pressure 4 kg per centimeter square, sir.
Now, what is that? The boiler that you are operating now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, boiler startup procedure, sir.
What? Sorry, what?
Hello?
Yes, you're speaking. Yeah.
Sir, boiler is, yes, sir, yes, sir. Sir, boiler, I am shift engineer, sir. Boiler operation and turbine operation, I am working, sir. Sir, this side I am DCS operation, sir. Boiler DCS operation.
Okay. So you are
sir.
you are a mechanical engineer?
Yes, sir, mechanical engineer, sir.
Okay, I have some question about mechanical engineer because you mentioned you are a mechanical engineer, okay? So give me what is the
Yes, sir.
enthalpy of steam? What is the enthalpy of steam? Enthalpy of steam. What is the enthalpy of steam?
Enthalpy of steam.
Yes.
Sir, steam is a, sir, I am working high pressure boiler, sir.
No. 1
Steam
minute. Okay. That is not the correct answer because you mentioned for me you are a mechanical engineer. That's why I'm questioning to you regarding the mechanical because I'm also mechanical engineer. That's why I ask you what is the enthalpy of steam. But your answer is not it's not correct. I'm not asking you the type of boiler. I'm asking you what is the enthalpy of steam. So very clear. If you are a mechanical engineer, it is very question. It's a very easy question.
Sir,
You're-
I am mechanical engineer, sir. I am operation engineer, sir. Boiler operation, sir.
Okay, leave that question. Okay, I have some question.
Yes.
How do you treat boiler corrosion?
Boiler corrosion, sir.
Yes. Can you please open your camera?
Yeah. Sir, suppose water quality is not good, so boiler corrosion, sir. Like suppose TDS
Please. Can you please open your camera, please? Can you
Mr.
please?
Muhammad, please open
Yes,
your
ma'am.
camera.
Okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Mr.
okay.
Muhammad, can you ask slowly?
Suppose TDS increase, so not good water, so pH not maintained, so scaling in the boiler. So different losses of boiler like corrosion and tube anytime puncture, sir, anytime damage. So main boiler operation is a water quality good, sir. Like pH, TDS, silica, conductivity is very good. So water good. So steam properly maintain parameter, water parameter. So safely boiler safe and operation safe, sir. So long time life of boiler, sir.
Okay, how do you fix the corrosion?
Yes, sir.
How do you fix corrosion of boiler? If you are an operator, if the boiler if there is corrosion, so how do you fix that?
Sir, suppose sir, silica increase and TDS increase, so corrosion develops, sir. So corrosion remove by CBD blow down and individual blow down, sir. So slowly every 8 hours to blow down continue to blow down, sir.
No.
Every 8 hours. So
No. Okay.
TDS decrease, sir.
Just cut your answer.
TDS decrease, sir.
No, that is not the correct answer. How do you fix the corrosion? You are not using chemical for the boiler?
Yes.
That's why. That is the correct answer. You use chemical. What type of chemical?
Okay, sir. Chemical, sir. Boiler inside two chemical, high pressure boiler inside two chemicals, sir. TSP, trisodium phosphate chemical, and morpholine and sir, hydrogen. Three types chemical put in the boiler, sir. And diameter 0.2 0.05 ppm to 0.2 ppm, sir.
I will not ask you about ppm. That is, well, too much. Okay. Leave. Okay, good. Okay, another question.
Parts per million, sir. Parts per
Sorry,
million, sir.
Mr. Muhammad. Mr. Muhammad,
Yes, ma'am.
please understand the question. Think, then answer. Okay? Slowly. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mr. Ronald, go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much, madam. Okay, next question. What is the basic principle of steam boiler? Give me that. What is the basic principle of steam boiler? The basic principle.
Oh. Yes, sir. Sir, boiler, basic principle of steam, sir.
Yes.
Sir, water put in boiler and increase the temperature, sir, in furnace side and increase the pressure, sir. Pressure directly proportional to temperature, sir. Slowly pressure increase and slowly temperature increase. Sir, design pressure according maintain to design pressure and temperature.
No.
Sir. So generate test.
Your answer is different. My question is very clear, but your answer is I don't know where you get that. I will give you the sample. How many types of bulbs are in a boiler? Give me the type of bulb, types of bulbs.
Okay, sir. Sir, boiler different types and water tube boiler and fire tube boiler, sir. Sir, fire tube boiler is a low pressure boiler and water tube boiler
No.
is
I will
a high pressure boiler,
not.
sir.
Sorry, I cut your answer. I'm asking how many types of bulbs are in the boiler. I will not ask you what type.
And
Listen to me. Okay. Leave that question. Okay. We have another question. Okay. What are the function of steam drum?
Okay.
What are the functions of steam drum?
Okay, sir. Sir, steam drum inside. Sir, hello?
Yes, speaking. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. Sir, steam drum function is water put in the steam drum and steam drum in create the steam, sir. Create steam and moving the primary superheater to secondary superheater. The function is steam drum and sir, steam drum inside steam separator and CBD main point, sir, and
CBD. What do you mean CBD? What do you mean CBD?
Sir, CBD continuous boil down, sir. Continuous boil down, high pressure inside, high pressure boiler put inside CBD and IBD. Two types boil down, sir. So steam drum inside CBD, sir. Continuous boil down, sir, and steam separator. So steam drum water feed pump putting the water in steam drum and steam drum water to down comer and down comer to ring harder to steam ring harder to water wall to steam drum, sir. So this is circulation of water and water convert to the steam by boil to water, sir, and steam to move primary superheater and primary superheater to secondary superheater to generate superheated steam, sir. This is function of steam drum, sir.
Okay. I have a question.
I'm fully explained, sir, your question. Steam separator is a separate steam and water, sir. Inside boiler, steam inside steam drum, sir. Putting steam separator, sir.
No. What do you mean steam drum? Where that water came from?
Yes, sir.
Where that water came from? Because you told me the steam drum. Where that water came from?
Steam drum, sir.
Yes.
Sir, me no listen, sir. Again speak, sir.
No, because you told me there is a water in steam drum. So I told you where they came from, that water.
Water circulation, sir.
Okay, leave that question. I have another question from you. Okay, next question. How do you determine the correct operating pressure to a boiler? Give me that one. How do you determine
Operate.
the correct operating pressure to a boiler?
Operating pressure, sir.
Yes, the correct operating pressure for the boiler.
Okay, sir. Design according to design, sir. Every boiler design pressure, sir. So maintain the according to working design pressure different and working pressure different, sir. Sir, every boiler design pressure and working pressure different, sir. Suppose working pressure and 45 kg working pressure. So and design pressure 67 kg, 70 kg, sir. So working pressure maintain pressure and temperature, sir, by fuel, sir.
Okay. Last question. Why are you leaving your current job?
Yes, sir.
Why are you leaving your current job?
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, because I am working in Nigeria, West Africa, sir. West Africa, sir, is crime very big, sir. Nigeria side very big crime, sir. So
Crime?
I'm
The crime?
14 crime, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Nigeria side crime, sir. Too much crime, sir. So this is reason, sir. I'm not going to leave company, sir. This region, sir, because you said, sir, Nigeria side big crime, sir.
Okay.
So Saudi Arabia is a good maintain to people. Saudi Arabia government, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Mohammed Taslim. Thank you for your time. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so
sir.
much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.